Varicose vein. Definition of varicose veins. When veins become abnormally thick, full of twists and turns, or enlarged, they are called varicose veins. So, varicose veins are veins when they become thick and full of twists and turns and enlarged. There is another definition of varicose vein. Varicose vein, also known as varicosis. So, varicose vein is also known as varicosis and varicositis. Occurs when your veins become enlarged, dilated, or overfilled with blood. Varicose veins typically appear swollen and raised and have a bluish purple or red color. They are often painful. The condition is very common, especially in women. Around 25% of all adults have varicose veins. So 25% of all the adults has the varicose veins. In most cases, varicose veins appears on the lower legs. So in most of the cases, we generally see the varicose vein is appears on the lower legs. Etiology of varicose veins. It is hereditary. Varicose veins is seen in pregnancy, obesity, menopause, aging, prolonged standing, leg injury, abdominal straining, crossing leg at the knees. So these are some etiology. Signs and symptoms of varicose vein: aching, heavy legs, appearance of spider ankle swelling, a brownish blue shiny skin, redness, dryness, itching of area of skin, cramps, prolonged healing, restless leg syndrome, whitened irregular scar-like patches can appear at the ankles. So these are some signs and symptoms. Diagnostic evaluation of varicose vein. So how we can diagnose a patient with varicose vein? Digital artery pressure, Doppler ultrasound, full blood count, blood test for urea and electrolytes, thyroid function test, nine-fold vasculature. Management of varicose vein. Conservative management. So these are some conservative management of varicose vein. Evaluating the legs often provides temporary symptomatic relief. Advice about regular exercise. Sounds sensible but is not supported by any evidence. The wearing of compression stockings with variable pressure to correct the swelling, anti-inflammatory medications. So these are some conservative management of varicose vein. Now we some see surgical management. Stripping. Stripping consists of removal of all out parts of the saphenous vein, main trunk. Non-surgical management. Sclerotherapy. A commonly performed non-surgical treatment for varicose vein and spider legs veins is sclerotherapy, in which the medicine is injected into the veins. So it is a process in which the medicine is injected into the veins to make them shrink. Complications of varicose vein. pain, heaviness, inability to walk, dermatitis, development of carcinoma, blood clotting within affected veins, acute fat necrosis. The, the afflicted person suffers tenderness in that region. So these are some complications of varicose vein.